G'day Daiwas fans and welcome back to another product video. My name's Andrew and today we're going to be talking about the brand new LT design. Now the LT design is known for four main things. These reels are lighter than ever before, they are tougher than ever before, they've got more bearings and more drag than any reels that we've had before. In this video though, we're going to be focusing on the light. How are these reels lighter than ever before? Well, let's start with one of my favourites in the range. It's the TD Sol 3. The TD Sol 3, we've managed to save weight in three main areas. The spool, the rotor and the body as one, and also in the handle. Let's start with the spool. The spool is an air aluminium spool, which means there are no plastic parts in the construction whatsoever. We've managed to save weight by reducing some of the material where we didn't need it, but making sure that we have retained the material, obviously keeping the strength, where we've needed it the most. So when running higher drag pressures, these spools are not going to let you down. Now moving on to the rotor and the body. The rotor is our famous air rotor design, and the body is a complete new design on the TD Sol 3. The rotor and the body, they're not made from a plastic and they're not made from a metal. They're actually made from a material called Zion. Now Zion is a carbon composite material, meaning it's extremely strong, extremely rigid, and it doesn't corrode. We've also managed to save weight in the handle. It's a slightly newer design, a little bit thinner, and we've again made sure that we've kept the material where we've needed the strength. So the handle, the rotor and the body and the spool are all lighter than ever before. Moving on to the next one, we've got the Exceller and actually we've got the Legalis. Both of these reels feature our air rotor design. They have the same body. Now, like the TD Sol, the body and the spool, the body and the rotor are made from a material called carbon light. It's not a plastic and it's not a metal. Once again, meaning it doesn't corrode, it's super rigid, and it's very, very strong. Like the TD Sol, we have the air aluminium spool and the air aluminium handle. Now, the Exceller and the Legalis are very, very similar except for one key feature. The Exceller features a screw-on handle where the Legalis features a pin-through handle. So there you have it guys, there's a little bit of a rundown on how these reels are lighter than ever before. Just to run over it again, they're in three main areas: the spool, the rotor and the body, and also the handle. Now all the information on these reels is available on the website. You should check it out. It's daiwasfishing.com.au. We're going to be releasing a few of these videos talking about the specific features of these reels, so make sure you keep an eye out for those. Well, that about wraps it up for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you out there on the water.